today's video is going to be all about the new ColourPop and ILUVSARAHI. I really don't know like what her handle is. I follow her, so I really don't know why I don't know what her handle means, but anyways, she came out with a collection with ColourPop, and to make things go a little bit easier and smoother, I am drinking a little Prosecco. This is going to be just like a talk through video, kind of like a cocktails with Christina. I did get the whole collection, which is this Through My Eyes eyeshadow palette. 16 colors in this palette. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty, like this green with gold, and I guess the whole theme is supposed to be like kaleidoscope. I love how it says the names on the palette, and it also has the names on the back. So I just got the eyeshadow palette and then the lip bundle, and there are 2 ultra matte lips in here and an ultra glossy lip. I haven't even swatched it. I literally got it a couple hours ago. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Getting my favorite blending brush to start with. It's Morphe M441, and I'm putting it into this color Sandalwood. Right off the bat, I'm getting a lot of fallout, like a lot of fallout. Do you see that? Here, I'll blow it away. In the pan, it didn't look like it was gonna be like dark at all, but I am really liking this for a transition shade. This is really pretty. I'm really liking how it's blending. Okay, I am obsessed with this color for like a transition shade. I was totally doubting this color at first. Okay, Sandalwood, okay girl. I really like this Wild Soul. I wanna try it. It's like a yellow. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't think I have a color like this. This color is dope. I don't even have a plan for this makeup. I'm just going in. This color Davinia, and I'm just gonna pack it on the outer part of my eye. For as much fallout there is in the pan, there's none on my face. I don't know why I'm getting Laker vibes from this eyeshadow right now. I'm finding this color a little bit harder to blend out. I'm gonna take a clean brush and just buff it out more. This eye blended out way better than this one. I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm like beating my eye up to blend it, but so this dark shade, just really make sure you take time and blend it out. Like my eye hurts from blending so much. I don't know, I don't like that color. I don't like how it blended. Now we need to do a shimmer shade because I have to try a matte and a shimmer when I try a new palette. It's just what I gotta do. And I love shimmer shades anyways, so cheers to shimmers. I wanna go in hard with this green, should I? Let's do it. I'm gonna go in with Emerald Dream, and I love applying shimmers with my finger. There's like a lot of pigment on my finger. That is really gorge. I don't like it with a brush. I am noticing a lot of fallout on this color. Oh no. My face is like green now. Okay, now I have a green face. Okay, I'm going to finish up the rest of my eyes. I'm going to do eyeliner and maybe false eyelashes. I don't know yet. And then I will be right back to finish up my lips and then give my final thoughts on this collection. Okay, now time for the lips. Sueno de Coco, and the other shade is in Dulce Tea. Oh, Dulcet? Dulcet. Dulcet. Glossy lip is Glass Lip. So I kind of want to try the darker nude just because my eyes are like all over the place. And then I'm going to top it off with the gloss. I think this color goes really well with this look. It dried down like super fast. Kind of like over like really matte lips these days, but this is really matte. So I'm gonna go over it with the gloss. The gloss smells so good. Wow, like, what is this smell? Oh, whoops. Okay, I love, love, love it with the gloss, actually. This is really pretty. And this smell, I just want to like eat my lips. Okay, so my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette through my eyes is the colors are really kind of like summery and spring. I mean, I guess there are a little bit of fall colors in there. The green, the purple, this flex over here is kind of like a shimmery silvery color. Sandalwood I'm obsessed with, that's the transition color. And Wild Soul, that color is so rad. So I think this palette is pretty cool. There's like a lot of shade ranges in here. For the price, I don't think you can go wrong. The dark shade Davinia, I did find it a little hard to blend, but if you just keep working at it, it did blend out good. You just kind of like have to put in the work on that color. This would be a really cool palette to travel with, like on a vacation, because I think these colors just kind of scream vacation to me. And the mirror is a huge plus. Like, I love when palettes have mirrors in them. The lip bundle with the 2 ultra matte lips, I do really like these shades. I mean, these are pretty consistent with the rest of ColourPop's formulas to me. They're just kind of a little too drying for me. I'm just not into like that ultra matte lip. But with the gloss on top, I'm totally digging like this lip combo. So that's gonna conclude my first impressions on the ColourPop and ILUVSARAHI, Sarah 2, Sarah something, Karen. And that's all I have to say for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are like the shit. I love you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.